Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today.
Welcome back to my channel, The Beauty Bliss. If you're seeing me for the first time, let me introduce myself. My name is Aishwarya and I usually make videos on makeup, beauty on this channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to try a Foxy eye makeup look. Actually, I have seen this recently. It's been very trending on Instagram and also on YouTube. So I thought just let's give it a shot. According to me, this look is just a normal wing liner look in which it makes your eye look more lifted. So yes, I'm going to create this look only in 2 steps. So make sure you watch this whole video till, and yes, also make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get notification of my every new video. So let's begin with the video. So the first thing that we are going to do is apply a brown eyeshadow. So we'll go step by step. The first step is applying brown eyeshadow. I'm going to use this palette from Wet n Wild in shade Rose in the Air, and I'm going to use this brown shade and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelids. So now we are in the second step. So after applying the eyeshadow all over the eyelids, now I'm going to use this liner and I'm going to create a wing liner look, and then over that I'm going to use this black eyeshadow from the Nudes palette. I'm going to apply on that liner so that it will just give a matte look to the eyes. From the Sugar Cosmetics in shade 01 Black Beauty. So I'm going to apply these lashes from Nykaa, and the name is Turn Up the Drama. So this is the final look. I just don't know how this is looking right now. I tried to create this look in my own way, like in more easy, simpler way. Do let me know in the comment section below that what you think about this look, and does this is looking like a Foxy eyes, and is this look was helpful for you to create? Do let me know.